Exploring robotics and AI trends. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are propelling robotics to perform complex tasks and make real-time decisions. Collaborative robots, or cobots, enhance efficiency and safety, making them popular among small enterprises. Autonomous vehicles are transforming transportation by enhancing safety and reducing traffic congestion. Soft robotics enables machines to perform tasks with a human-like touch, providing versatility and adaptability. Humanoid robots are designed to provide companionship and support in various applications, from service to education. Digital twin technology allows for real-time analysis and innovation while minimizing physical risks. Sustainable robotics focuses on eco-friendly designs, aligning with the global movement to reduce carbon footprints. Swarm robotics utilizes multiple robots cooperating to accomplish complex tasks in various sectors. Industry 4.0 leverages IoT and big data to create interconnected systems for efficient manufacturing.